Ever wondered why an AI can sound absolutely confident and still be completely wrong? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're breaking down why AI sometimes confidently lies, and the important thing is that this isn't lying in the human sense at all. Most AI tools you interact today are large language models, and their core job is not to check facts or understand the truth, but to predict the next most likely word based on patterns learned from enormous amounts of data. That means when an AI actually knows the answer, the prediction aligns with reality. But when it doesn't stop, hesitate, or say "I don't know" by default. Instead, it generates the most statistically convincing continuation, which often sounds correct even when it's completely false. This behavior is reinforced during training through techniques like reinforcement learning, where models are optimized to be fluent, helpful, and authoritative. Confident answers are often rewarded more than uncertain ones, so the system learns to speak with conviction even under uncertainty. On top of that, there's something called hallucination, a technical term used when an AI invents information that appears structured and logical but has no real-world grounding, such as fake studies, incorrect dates, made-up quotes, or non-existent features, simply because similar language patterns existed in its training data. Unlike humans, AI has no internal fact-checking mechanism or understanding of reality. Unless it's explicitly connected to live databases or verification tools, it cannot validate whether something is true. It only knows what usually comes next in a sentence. Context makes this even worse, because if your question contains a wrong assumption, the AI often accepts it and builds on it instead of challenging it. And then there's the knowledge cutoff problem. AI models are trained only up to a specific point in time, so when asked about new events or updates, they may quietly switch to educated guessing mode without telling you. To reduce this, modern models like ChatGPT and Gemini use safety layers, fact-checking heuristics, retrieval-based tools, and training techniques that penalize known hallucinations and encourage uncertainty when confidence is low. Some versions are also connected to live data sources or external search systems to verify facts in real time. But even with all these improvements, failures still happen because the core system is still probabilistic. It still relies on patterns rather than true understanding, and it can still be pushed into guessing when context is unclear, data is missing, or questions fall outside its verified knowledge. So the next time an AI gives you a perfectly worded answer that turns out to be wrong, remember, it isn't reasoning, understanding, or verifying facts. It's predicting language based on probability, training incentives, and incomplete context. That combination is incredibly powerful, but also inherently unreliable without human oversight. So remember, AI confidence is not the same as AI correctness, which is why critical thinking and verification matter more than ever. If you enjoy breaking down how the invisible systems around us really work, make sure to subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more fascinating explanations, and as always, stay curious.